Okay, back with some more Benny Bunny games for my Benny Bunny Mondays, apparently. So, did Litterbugs. Let's go to Haunted Bell Tower. The mischievous ghosts have taken down the bell and left them lying all around. Help Benny to collect them. Each bell he picks up will fly to its proper place. If he collects them all, he can pass through the door at the top of the platform to the next room. There are 5 different rooms, so a bit of a rinse and repeat on these, but it's a winning formula. Don't let the bats bite him or he will turn into a bat too. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, nice bit of line graphics there. I don't want a demo, let's just get into this one. Yes, so same thing again. But it's a winning formula. So don't let the bats hit me. Oh, I let the bat hit me. I've turned into a bat and died. Damn. So going in with this with no practice at all. There's no way of destroying the bats. This one's going to be quite difficult. Oh. Wow. Let's go straight. Well, I've got a bell. Oh, okay, I get you. There's no down. How do I go down? How do I go down? Oh, no. Well, I'm buggered. Benny's buggered at the top there. Wow. This one's difficult. There's no way of... Oh, no. Okay. Ooh, this could be very quickly over. Yeah, this one's really unfair. Let's get that one. Okay. No, I've got trapped again. I can't go down. I can't go down. I can't go down. Now the bats move quicker than Benny does. I can't go up that one. No, 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 no. Come on, Benny. Come on, Benny. Come on, Benny. Oh, no, Benny. Oh, Benny. Right, come on, come on. Those bats move extremely quick. Come on, Benny. Hooray! Benny done a level. Right, so same again. Oh, come on, Benny. Benny. Oh. This one's tricky. This one's tricky. Okay. All right, then. I think I'm going to leave Benny and his bells and his bats on this one. In his Haunted Bell Tower. So that was just a quick one. Probably my least favourite Benny Bunny game so far. But still fun.